Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and here we have to tap to the bottom of show grid lines button. So automatically we turn on the camera grid lines, but here we get access to our straighten, so leveler. By just one tap we can turn it on, another tap to turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on, and here in the grid lines we can see it. So this line is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady, for example when we need to take straight picture. And this is how it works. As you can see, yellow line suggests us that now we keep device steady. And of course when we don't need it and when we don't need our grid lines, we have to tap to the right corner and tap here to turn them off on this button. So here we can also get quick access to these settings. We can also turn off the straighten and stay only with some grid lines, or turn off all of it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.